Hello everyone, welcome to the lesson number 46th. Hope all of you are doing fine. In the lesson number 45th, we talked about recording a macro, how to insert a macro button to print a document using the macro recording option. In that lesson, I promised you that I will teach you further on it, that how we can include a message box when you are printing, because accidentally you can click the print button. So in that situation the document will be printed, it will be a waste if that is the case, right? So therefore it is better to have a message, like if you click that button, message to ask, the macro to ask from you, you want to print, okay, and then if you click yes to proceed with the printing, if you click no, then the macro is going to be stopped. So like that type of control is very important when we work with macros or the VBAs, especially in this type of situations. Now let's see how we can do that. As I told you, you do not need to be a master of it, of VBS, but you just need to know some of simple steps. As I told you, I am also not a VBA expert on this. Before doing that, we have to open our VBA code that we have recorded earlier. So how to go to that VBA application window. In order to go to that, right click on your button that you already have created. So when you right click on it, you can see these options. Under that you can see assign macro. Click on it, and once you click on it, you can see the macro already selected, and click edit. So once you click edit, you can see the recorded macro where we have command to print. Now we want to put a message. So how to start a message box? It's very simple. Start type like this, MSG box, right, and open a parenthesis. So once you do that, you can see it's working, because it's asking what should be the message. Prompt means the message. We're within quotations, right? Put your message. Do you want to print? Right, now we'll see what is the impact of this, right? This is very interesting. Now let's go and run the macro. Alright, the message is there. Microsoft Excel is the heading of the message. Do you want to print? But there is no yes or no options. If you click OK, then it will print. But if you want to cancel this, there is no option for that. If you click on this close button, then the printing is not going to stop. It is going to print. See? I just click on close, but it's printing. So then that is not our requirement, right? But anyway, now you know how to pop up, how to make a message. Very interesting, right? What we have done, very simple. We put the wording MSG box, open parenthesis, open quotation, then your message, close quotation, close parenthesis. That is what we have done. Now we have to make this message box improved, right? We have to improve this. We want to stop printing. So then the next step should be put comma. Once you put comma, you can see the button as VB OK only. So like that, there are some examples given by the help here, right? And also these are the available options that we can use. So come down and find yes, no, VB yes, no, VB yes, no, right? Double click on it, right? And now see whether this is going to work or not. Oh, what is this? compile error. Expected something equals something at the beginning, right? So that means if you are going to provide this variable here, right, this condition here, then we have to start with a name, right? We can say answer equal, because we are going to give a if statement in this situation further, right? So before that, so I'm going to that, but let's go slowly. If you want to further improve that, then we have to start with a variable, right? Answer equal to message box. Do you want to print? Then VBA yes or no, right? That then the VBA has accepted that statement. Okay. Now, so after yes or no, if you put comma again, then we can provide a title for our message. So we can say print. Alright, it's very nice. But again, let's see how this is going to work. Let's hit. Do you want to print? If I click, okay, and also the title is here as print. If I click yes, it will print. But if I click no, still it's printing, right? Then it is still not yet there based on our requirement. Okay, so now we need to think about, that is where we have to provide if statement. Okay, so how to do that? It's very easy, my friends. I take this very easy. Okay, so then we have to provide this if statement. If I click yes only, then print the document. So how to do that? Let's do if, right? If answer equal to VB yes, VB yes, because here VB yes and no, right? If answer equal to VB yes, then run this command. Then after that end if, right? That's it. So what we have done, if answer equal to VB yes, then run this command, otherwise end if. Now we'll see whether our macro is working or not based on our expectation. Okay, let's say I click accidentally. Oh wow. Do you want to print? No, I don't want to print. Alright, so now it's not printing, you can see, right? So that is what our expectation here. But let's do some modifications. Do you want to print? Let's input question mark here. And also let's say if you click no to that message, you want to see another message like printing cancel. So then we can do that. If you want to have it, then type else another message box, MSG BOX, open parenthesis, and your message, printing cancel, close quotation, close parenthesis. Alright, we'll see now. Do you want to print? No, printing cancel. Right, my friends, that is how we can include a message box with a control. The control is if I click yes, then only it print for the message. If I click no, then it will not print, and giving a message printing cancel. Right. So I want to tell you one thing. Maybe I haven't used the correct wordings or the terminologies here when I am explaining this, because as I mentioned, I am not an expert on VBA, to be honest. But you do not need to be an expert. That is what my message. You can Google any code and take from there and incorporate into your recorded macro and modify it and have your requirement. That's it. So think about out of the box, right? And do whatever you want to do using your knowledge, your current knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this demo. Hope this is helpful to you. Looking forward to meet you with another one. Please share it with others as much as possible. Apply, multiply the knowledge. God bless you all.